our 1.5 coffee thermo and dispenser. Included is a set of 4 coffee thermo servers to go along with the dispenser. 2 caps on top, first being the main cap, along with the center cap that can be removed to pour your hot water. Left and right handles for easy grip and transport. To the front will be the fill limit, with 6 liters being the maximum. In front of the fill limit will be your main nozzle to dispense your coffee. Right below is the serving tray, with the main plate and bracket that can easily be removed. Right below the server is a twist cap that can be tightened and loosened to remove the main thermal. The thermal can be positioned right beneath the dispenser. Beneath is the main kettle that can be removed for cleaning any excess debris. Coming to the top will be the operation switch, along with the light indicator. Top flip cover with the filter below to pour your hot water. Coming to the back will be the 110-120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.